Okay, we are now streaming live.
Awesome.
Yes. Okay, guys. So thanks for everyone who's able to join us today. This is Amanda Ray, and I'm going to be interviewing Cheryl Trexler, who is one of the members of Successful Solution Method. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda Ray. I'm the creator of Successful Solution Method. And the reason why we're having these interviews is because I want for the average person to know what we do within our company, the reason why we do things the way that we do them, and not only that, how members are doing who are actually participating with this program. So, guys, if you are not a part of SSM, it would be great to just tune in and kind of get an idea of why SSM was created and what it's doing to help average and ordinary people like us earn a full time income from home. Not only that, if you are not yet a member, you can also view our previous webinars that give you information about the opportunity that we have and what we do to earn a full time income from home. So, Cheryl, if you could just share with us a little bit of information about yourself, when you started your online journey, and how long you've been in the industry with us.
Okay, it's such an honor and privilege, Amanda, to be here with you today, and I thank you for that. And I live on an island in Alaska right now, and I have this rainforest, this beautiful mountains, snow-covered mountains in the winter, and the harbor and rainforest I enjoy, and I just really enjoy being here. We just moved here last year, so all kind of adventures that we're going through to enjoy being on an island. I've never been on an island, so it's exciting. And I use a camera instead of binoculars to watch my birds because I actually take the pictures. They're right outside my railing where I sit, and so I enjoy all of that. And one reason I enjoy all of that is because I'm an entrepreneur. I It gives me this life that I can enjoy this every single day and not be tied down at all. And back when my kids were young, actually, because I have 7 grandkids. So when my kids were young, I decided I don't want to work out of the home. I want to be home with my kids. So I joined the online world, and so I did, and I've been able to do that while my kids were growing up. I feel so blessed to have that opportunity. So actually, it's like been 30 years, probably a little more, but we'll keep it at 30, 30 years since I've joined being online, and that's how I started.
Okay, so Cheryl, another quick question. What made you actually join SSM? Is there something that you've seen about the opportunity? How long have you been involved with SSM?
Okay, well, I joined SSM at the very beginning, at the end of May, and I was, just was excited to get started. And so, like, I was in less than a week, I'd say, and I had $350 come to me in commissions. Now, that never happens. I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, literally out of the blue, I have an income stream. Literally. It was such a blessing to me. I was just like on cloud 9. It was a magical moment. It really was. To make that kind of money right out of the gate, I mean, that never happens. I mean, I have spent probably 6 to 9 months back in the day, like 30 years ago, on a computer at a desk, tied to the chair, really, what we used to say, because I didn't have one of these. I couldn't just do stuff as I go. So I spent 6 to 9 months to even earn what I've earned. I've earned $2,900 in the 2 and some months that I've been with SSM. I am so incredibly excited about it, what it's done for my family. And this income stream, this new income stream is incredible. So, and thanks to Amanda.
Thank you, Cheryl. Yes, so that's amazing. $2,900. Since you've been with the company, we're not even 3 months old yet. Um, and what I like the most about, because you came in right from the beginning, and what I love about it is the community. I love the support that we get from other members. it's like a one big happy family. Everyone is trying to help one another when it comes
Hmm.
to whether you're setting up the system or if you have a question about traffic or you want to know how it works. Everyone is like chipping in to see that this works for everyone. And I love that about, just being a part of SSM. It's like we're one little family. So what we do is we meet, guys. We have meetings, we have webinars, we have trainings, we have a chat room where we meet and we discuss our wins and we discuss what we can do to be better and what we're missing in what a lot of people are missing in the industry and why they aren't earning full time. We go over stuff like that as well. um, and mainly one of the reasons why I go over a lot of this stuff is because I don't want people to make the mistakes that I made when I first got into the industry. I don't want people to try to reinvent the wheel. I want people to just do what already works, and that's what we go over. Doing what the top marketers do that make the big bucks and doing it as a team so that we can all grow as one. And that's just powerful in itself. So, um, another thing I wanted to ask you, Cheryl, is about just what do you get from this program as far as when we have our trainings and we have our meetings, is there anything different with SSM that you've experienced that you may have not experienced with other opportunities that you've been in? Um, and not only that, can you tell the average person what they should expect when they decide to join SSM?
Sure. Yeah. Well, one thing, there's a lot of things, but one thing that SSM has that no other company I've ever been in has, and that's the step-by-step instructions that tell you with these like 2-minute videos. They tell you exactly what to do. And I like the videos because it's visual, and visual is important. I learned very well with visual, and you're not lost. And you even have this little yellow start here button you click on. Now, I've been in lots of companies, and you go in their website, and there's all kinds of videos and stuff, but you're like totally lost. You don't know what to do, you don't know where to go. You're just like, too much info. Well, this is so different from anything I've done. And you've got, the step by step, very simple. I love that about SSN too. It's very simple, it's step by step, and you don't get lost. You know exactly what you're doing. And that was a light bulb moment for me because I followed that and I did exactly what I was told to do, and it worked. I mean, it was so powerful. I was just so enamored by it because I've been in this 30 years and I've not seen a system put together so well that people don't get lost, people aren't confused, people know exactly what to do. And yes, our team is incredible. Our team is so supportive, and they just, oh my, they just are crushing it right now. And it's such a good feeling. They really are. And it's so powerful. And the momentum just continues to go faster. And like Amanda said, we are family. And that is something I've never experienced. So it's incredible.
Yes, and I love that about our team because I've been on lots of teams. I've been involved in lots of different communities, and I've never seen a community so active where people are constantly participating and encouraging, motivating the other members, their family members. They are really coming in with both hands and willing to do whatever it takes to make this work. And that's just amazing in itself. I mean, the chat room doesn't stop. It's literally all day long.
Yeah.
And I love that about our community, our group. We have new people who are coming in every day. So it just feels good when they come in to feel welcomed, but not only that, to feel the support that you need in order to be successful when you start your online journey. Um, so the last thing that I want to ask Cheryl was if you can leave anybody here who's watching this video, what would you leave them with? Anybody that's looking for success online, that's had failures in the past, that really feel like they can't make it online or they're stuck. What is it that you would like to leave with them?
Okay. Well, one thing I haven't mentioned yet about SSM is the fact that you don't do any selling, and which is really the key and the lifeblood of every business is eyeballs on your business. And with SSM, you don't have to worry about that. I mean, the website is included. Now, you know, when you join most companies, they give you a generic website that brands the company. And that doesn't really help you sell anything. I mean, you just have to come up with this stuff all on your own.
Mhm.
And so with this, you have a website, a very professional, high-end website that Amanda, as a multiple six-figure earner, has created that we get to use. It comes with the system. You know, she's got this sharp page and the selling page inside, the emails, and people can get information and do all of that, and you don't have to touch it. It comes with the system. And that's unheard of, really. You usually have to do your own stuff, but she has everything in this system that works, that makes it simple. And I love that too. And my advice would be to join, because I've never seen anything like it. And it's such a incredible lifesaver for people to have an income stream. And that's what I've got. And I'm so thankful to Amanda for putting this together. This is awesome.
Yes. Well, thank you so much, Cheryl. Guys, if you want to get more information about the opportunity, or if you want to pick Cheryl's brain and kind of get more information from her, her information will be in the comment section of this video. Um, if you would like to join one of our webinars, we have webinars every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can come on and get an idea of what we do and why we do things and how we do things. If you are ready to join the opportunity, please get back to the person that invited you, and let them help you to get started. So, Cheryl, I want to say thanks again so much for being a part of this team, about a part of this community, being able to work together as one to build and create something that's truly a movement, and it's going to help a lot of people to not only just earn, but to have faith again in the online space, no matter what background they've come from. They can
Mm-hmm,
use this
mm-hmm.
opportunity and get the training that they need to learn how to brand themselves, make money online, how to do it as quickly as possible, but not only that, be able to do it for years and years and years to come. So again, thanks so much, Cheryl. Guys,
Thank
thanks
you,
so much for
Amanda.
watching. Have a great day, and we'll be back with you with another live interview another day. So thanks so much, guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks, Amanda.
Bye bye, Cheryl.
Bye.